Okay, so within Google Finance, we can look at the data for some crypto prices: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. But wouldn't it be interesting to bring this information into Google Sheets? Well, we can do that. Okay, for only these four though at the time of this recording. So I have my Bitcoin and my ticker information here, and I'm going to show you two different ways to do it. I'm going to show you kind of an old-fashioned way to do it and a smarter, more advanced way to do it. So equal sign, and I'm just going to go ahead and copy my formula here. Okay, Google Finance, and then the quotation marks, currency, BTC, USD, quotation mark, and hit enter. So we could copy this down here, but instead of BTC, we could put ETH for Ethereum. And the same thing for the other ones. Okay. Now, there is a smarter way to do this because that was kind of a little too manual for me. So let's go ahead and copy this formula. Okay, Control C, Control V, copy the formula. But we can replace this value with the value in C3. So what we do that is quotation marks, the ampersand, C3, ampersand, quotation marks, delete this information here, and hit enter. It's going to say suggested autofill probably. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. That's how you do it.